Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to add your TikTok profile link to your Instagram account. So what you want to do first is go ahead and open up TikTok and go to your profile. So in order to get to it, obviously, you just tap on the profile icon in the lower right-hand corner. You'll see your TikTok profile image there, your username, your stats, things like that. And then what you'll want to do is you will want to tap on the image there, your profile image, just tap on it one time. That will bring up the share profile options. The one that we want to utilize right now is going to be copy link, which is the first one for me. You may have to scroll to get to where you see copy link, but go ahead and go to the copy link option there. So go ahead and tap the copy link text. And then once you've copied that link, go ahead and hop over to your Instagram account. Here we are on my Instagram profile, and as you can see, I am viewing my profile right now. If you want to view yours, again, very similar to TikTok, you just tap the profile icon to navigate over to where your profile is. You'll see your image, your bio, everything like that. What we want to do is go to Edit Profile, go ahead and tap on Edit Profile, and then right there where you see Website, currently I have my YouTube channel linked, but if I go to website and tap in there, and then go ahead and tap the X or just delete the text that's already there, and then just tap once more to paste or Command or Control V if you're on a PC or Mac, you'll see that I have now pasted my link directly to my TikTok profile. Now, I wanted to show you what this looks like when you basically go to the link, so I'm pasting it into a Safari browser here on my mobile device. And as you can see, it just takes me to my profile here. It allows folks to open up their TikTok app like they normally would if you were sharing your TikTok profile. And then once you're done here on your Instagram account, tap the Done option in the upper right-hand corner, and then if we do that and tap on Done there, you can see now in our profile, when someone goes to view our profile, we go there, we can see now they can tap on that link there, and that'll take them directly to our TikTok account. If you have any questions about how to do this, please put those in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great technology tutorials made simple just like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.